Well, yeah, Ashley and Steven, we were able to speak with that Covington mother of 4, and she says, yes, she's still shaken up about it all, but she says she's blessed to still be alive. Now, that entire incident was caught on video, ring cam video, and she says it was her and her daughter that were held at gunpoint. Take a look at some of the footage.
It's just a normal day. I was walking in, coming from the store, and I just turned around and had the gun pointed right at me.
Thursday in broad daylight, Marquita Weathers walked up to her home with her 1-year-old daughter on her hip. And moments later, a gunman dressed in all black rushes towards her.
It kind of puts me at a loss for words. Like, I have no clue why it would have happened to me.
Weathers able to get in and slam the door. The gunman pauses for a moment, then runs off, escaping with nothing.
We can't even feel comfortable at home now. Like, my kids, I don't even feel comfortable letting them come outside to play.
Weathers is distraught that what she considered a safe place suddenly turned dangerous. Weathers only able to catch a quick glimpse of the gunman.
This looked like a young kid, so I wouldn't say that I've seen him before, maybe. Just kind of trying to picture him.
And as she sat with me today, just a few feet off of Philadelphia Street, she told me the neighborhood is typically quiet. Weathers says she's always cautious, but now even more on her toes.
I'm not a city girl. I'm from the country, so I've always been a little cautious. And then, kind of where my door sits anyways, I've always, been a little bit suspicious about it.
Yes, and so we were also able to speak with the Covington Police Department. Now, they did confirm a detective is investigating, but they say as of right now, no one has been arrested. I'm Yana Massey, live in Covington, WLWT News 5.